In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly edit a footer in PowerPoint. This setup takes just a few moments to complete. To start, open your PowerPoint presentation. Make sure you have the file you want to edit ready on your screen. Once you have it open, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Insert tab. This action will bring up a new set of options in the toolbar, specifically designed for adding various elements to your slides. Next, you'll want to locate the Header and Footer option within the toolbar. Clicking on this will open a dialog box that allows you to customize the footer content. This box is where you'll make all the necessary changes to your footer. From here, check the box labeled Footer if it isn't already selected. This step ensures that the footer will be visible on your slides. Now you can enter the text you want to appear in the footer field. This text will display at the bottom of each slide, so make sure it's exactly what you want your audience to see. With that out of the way, decide if you want the footer to appear on just one slide or all slides. If you want it on every slide, click Apply to All. This will save you time by automatically updating the footer across your entire presentation. Now, if you only want the footer on the current slide, simply click Apply. This choice allows for more customization if different slides require unique footers. Finally, take a moment to review your changes. Navigate through your slides to ensure the footer appears as expected. If everything looks good, you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the footer in your PowerPoint presentation. This simple process can make a big difference in the professionalism of your slides.